Hello, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a casual video. I'm very busy with schoolwork right now, so today I just wanted to do a little bit of a more casual video. So a few weeks ago I made a makeup declutter video, and in that video I mentioned how my favorite lip liners, the Essence Ultra Last lip liners, were discontinued and how they were my favorite. And then these Essence ones, they don't make these anymore, but these are the best ones they've ever made. Really God's gift to humanity. I'm so sad they don't make them anymore. And then someone left a comment on that saying that Essence is now making similar lip liners again. Just seeing that comment really changed my life. It turned my whole week around. So obviously I ordered all of them. I have 7 out of the 8 available shades here. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't get the 8th one because I thought it would be way too light for me. But yeah, we're gonna be trying these on today. We're gonna be doing a little bit of a review. We're just gonna have a chill time. For now, we're just gonna talk about these lip liners and chill out for a second, shall we?
It's a beautiful day to feel fine.
And also, I don't know if my mic picks it up, but you might hear my earrings as well. Enjoy that. So yeah, I haven't tried any of these on yet. I've only swatched them on my hand once because I was just too curious, but we're gonna do all of that good stuff today. I feel like it's a pretty good selection of colors. There's a few nudes, there's a few reds, there's a few mauves. My lips are bare, my crops are ready. Starting off with number 1, which is Curious. So the first thing I noticed about these lip liners is that the tip is one of those precision mini tips. I don't know how I feel about that, to be honest. I don't really need that. I feel like it's kind of unnecessary and kind of a pain to fill in the whole lip. They could have just stuck with actual wooden pencils. These are all in a plastic casing, and they're also twist up lip liners. They're not the kind you sharpen. Should I zoom you in? Now you're zoomed in. You can see all my problems. I hate lip liner faces. They look so awkward. Wow, they're super creamy so far. So yeah, here we have shade number 1, which is Curious. It's a little bit of a pinky, mauvey-ish kind of color. It's definitely a little bit darker than a nude, so it's definitely a color that people will notice. As far as lip feel goes, they feel kind of matte-ish, but not uncomfortable matte, if that makes any sense. They definitely went on very creamy, very pigmented, and they have a kind of slight matte look on the lips. The feel is actually pretty similar to the original Ultra Last lip liner, so that's definitely a plus. Let's get this off. Good comparison. So this is shade number 2, Just Perfect, and that's exactly how I would describe it. This is literally the exact shade of my lips. This definitely seems like a color that would be a super good nude for lighter skin tones, or if you have a darker skin tone, if you pair it with a dark brown lip liner. Unfortunately, Essence didn't make a dark brown lip liner for darker skin tones. I feel if they really wanted to cater to dark skin tones as well, having a dark brown or just a brown nude for darker skin tones lip liner to pair with the rest would be such a great idea. Okay, so since I skipped shade number 3, we're heading straight into number 4. This is shade number 4, Naive. This is the first color that I really had to go over twice to get the full intense color. And I don't have anything against this shade. It didn't look that Barbie pink to me online, but this just reminds me of what I would wear when I was 12 or 14. So I don't think I would really wear this one, but if this is your kind of shade, it's a very nice cool raspberry pink. And if you're into that kind of thing, it also makes your teeth look wider because of the cool undertones, so that's also a plus. So here we have shade number 5, Famous. Gonna be honest here, I thought this would be a red, but it's way more berry mauve on my lips. And because it's darker, it's also the first one that had really big patchiness problems. I feel like this one did not apply evenly at all, especially if you're gonna wear it on its own and not put a lipstick on top. Yeah, I was really struggling with the application of this one for a bit because I felt like it was bleeding everywhere. I needed to go over everything twice at the very least. This one is definitely something that requires some work, some finessing to have it sit right. I do like the shade, and I think it would look better if you had an actual lipstick over top. I don't know if they make matching lipsticks for these, but would be very nice. I feel like this would be good just to layer an existing dark lipstick over top. Hi, hello, it's me here. I'm just popping in to say that the patchiness of these lip liners was really not as visible IRL as it is on camera. I think it's part the dryness of my lips and that kind of thing and part lip liner, but it looks way worse on camera, so maybe incorporate that into the final decision as well. I didn't see this while filming. I don't think it was a really big problem IRL, but it's definitely noticeable here, so it's kind of freaking me out. So this is shade 6, Now or Never. Gotta be honest, I really love this color. Once again, it is patchier, which I think is just a darker shade, but I don't know if I would wear these on their own because they're definitely liners you would need to touch up. I think it's really just that these liners need to like dry down and like set completely to get more even, opaque, and like sink in. And once they kind of like reach that more matte feel, they're set. So for this one and shade number 2, Just Perfect, favorites. Never pick up when you want me. Now I gotta draw a line. Maybe that just melted in my hands. Are you serious? Raise your hands if you've ever felt personally victimized by a lip liner. I fought with this lip liner to the death. Call me Katniss Everdeen. I have the braids in already. The Hunger Games, me versus this lip liner, I won. But at what cost? But yeah, this is shade 7, Honest. Is there really a difference between this and the previous shade? Editor Sabrina, please put the clips next to each other so I can see. I don't mind it. I really like it. Let's do a little bit of a cup test, shall we? This is my ominous tea mug. The tea is alive. It will live inside of you. Let's take a sip. Okay, so there's a little bit of transfer, but I think that's pretty decent, actually. That won't ruin your life. This kind of makes me feel like a rock chick, especially with like the look today. I like it. Okay, let's move on to the last lip liner, shall we? And this is shade 8, Passionate. It actually leans a little bit more warm toned than I would have thought. But this is a very nice everyday kind of red as far as everyday kind of reds go. If you wear red every day. Maybe red isn't everyday. Maybe I'm just crazy. So yeah, that's all 7 shades lip swatch, tried on, put to the test. I feel like this shade range is pretty standard for like lip liners. I think these cost about $2 or $3. They're really good for that. I can't complain about them. They're nice and creamy. My favorites I think would definitely be 2, Just Perfect, 6, Now or Never, and this red as well, 8, Passionate. Those are my favorites. They definitely have a super similar lip feel to like the old Ultra Last lip liners, which I really enjoy. Wish they brought some of these shades back though. I actually have arm swatches included now too for everyone who likes those. But yeah, overall, I would give these a definite positive review, especially for drugstore lip liners. Once again, they really perform well. So yeah, I think that's it for this little review video. I hope you enjoyed having a casual little video time with me. You know, I don't often do reviews unless it's like for very special items. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe because all of those things will help me out on my YouTube journey. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!